Today we have the Wundong BDM8 here. This is the TPA 3255 board from Wundong or Sure Electronics. Last time we tested this one using this power supply here. This power supply can only do 8 amperes at 48 volts. This adjustable. This was set to 50 volts last time. But this power supply cannot power this board at full power using 2 channels. So now we're going to use this big power supply here. This is a 1.2 kilowatt power supply, so this is not going to have any problem powering this board here at full power, 2 channels, fully loaded. So that is what we're going to do today. So we're just going to quickly test the board. 8 ohms maximum power output, 1% HD, and 4 ohms also. I already have the 8 ohms dummy load connected. Yes, it's here, 8 ohms. 8 ohms. I also have the 4 ohms dummy load here. I have our 4 ohms here. So after testing with 8 ohms, we're going to test it with 4 ohms. So our AC source is already set up. We already have our ultra low noise 1 kHz oscillator here. Okay, so our scope is already hooked up. We have our THD meter here set to 1%. So we want full scale here. Okay, so that is full scale, 1% HD. You can see our signal clipping a little bit here. And our voltage output is 102 volts, peak to peak. That is 8 ohms. So this is the maximum power output of the BDM8, full power, 2 channels, fully loaded. Now we're going to do 4 ohms. I'll be back after I change this dummy load to 4 ohms. Okay, so I have the board connected to our 4 ohms dummy load now. That is our 4 ohms dummy load. And here's the other one. So I'm going to increase the input to the amp now. We are at the 1% range, so we want full scale on the meter. Okay, so that is it's a little bit over. Okay, so that's about full scale. Let's look at our output. So this is our output, 96 volts peak to peak. This is 4 ohms load. Okay, so this is our results. Let's compute the maximum power output of the board, both channels fully loaded, 1% HD, 8 ohms, 102 volts peak to peak. So 102 divide 2.828 inverse squared divide by 8. Okay, so that is 162 watts RMS. And this is our result for 4 ohms load. 96 divide 2.828 inverse squared divide by 4. So that is 288 watts. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.